Hi guys, this is Concise Reviews and today I've been sent my S9 Plus, so today I'm going to show you how to apply a tempered glass screen protector. Okay, so the screen protector that I'm going to be using is this one from Moco, which I picked up from Amazon for $12.99, which I think is pretty good. I seem to remember them being a lot more than that when the S8 and S7 Edge launched. Now the first thing that I'd recommend doing is making sure that the screen protector is quite warm, so you can either do this by giving it a quick buzz with a hairdryer maybe, or you can do what I'm going to do, which is just put it on top of a radiator for just a minute, and that's because there's a very fine line of glue just around the edge, so you need to make sure that this is fairly warm, just so that when you do put it on your phone it gets a good clean fit and the glue can adhere to your phone. Now the glue doesn't leave any marks on your phone, it's a very light glue, it's just to make sure that it sort of stays in place and give it a bit of grip so that it doesn't slide about on your phone. So I'm going to put that on the radiator now, and the other thing that you want to make sure that you do before you do anything else is give your hands a wash. We naturally have sort of grease and oils that come through our skin. You don't want any of that when you're doing this job, so go and give them a rinse with soap and then we can get on with cleaning the screen. Okay, so the Moco screen protector is pretty good. It gives you some quite clear instructions and all of the kit that you'll need to get your screen clean. I don't know if my camera can pick it up, but there are some very fine bits of dust on the screen, and if any of those are present when you drop your screen protector on, it's going to result in quite a small raise, but that results in sort of what looks like a bubble in the screen protector, so it looks pretty crap really. So we need to make sure that's completely clean. The first step is use this one with a number 1 on it, which is the wet wipe, so just give that a quick wipe all over. Okay, some people do advise not to use the wet wipe because it can result in some moisture being left on there. It is really important that you make sure the screen is completely dry before you try to put the screen protector on, but the wet wipe is important because it makes sure that there's no oil or grease left on the screen. Okay, once you're done with that, we need to make sure that it's dry, so you use the wipe number 2. Okay, and then it's worth giving it just some real gentle wipes from the top to bottom just to try and get as much dust off as possible. And then the final step is the Moco includes these sort of dust swabs with like a sticky back, so if there is any bits of dust left on there, you can just sort of touch it with that and it will pick it off. Okay, then give it a real close look. I can still see some small bits on there. Move the phone around so that it catches the light differently so that you can see any bits of dust easier. And then you need to do this bit fairly quickly so that you don't give any dust a chance to settle. You need to get your screen protector out, making sure that it's slightly warm, as I said at the start of the video. Peel the screen off the back. Before you drop it on, have one final little look for any dust, and I can see a bit that's just dropped on there. Now what you don't want to do is touch the underside, so just hold it at the side, line the phone up horizontally, and the easiest way to do this is to line up the holes at the top. Okay, and then it should drop on into place. It should fit pretty easily because of the curved sides. Then once it's on, just give it quite a firm push around the edge because that's where the light adhesive is, and then push it from the insides out. You're going to obviously leave smudges on the outside of the screen protector by doing this, but you can easily clean that off. So now we'll just give the screen protector a quick clean. Okay, so that's on there now. Let's turn the phone on and make sure that it all works okay. While it turns on, I'll just show you. As you can see, it's a very tight fit. It's pretty even right around the edge, and to be honest, if you didn't know this phone had a tempered glass screen protector on it, you wouldn't be able to tell. And then you just want to make sure that the screen is still responsive. So as you can see, there's no problems. I can type easily and it really doesn't change the effectiveness of the phone. Okay, if you do find that the screen's touch sensitivity isn't quite as good as you'd like it after you've put the screen protector on, you can improve this in the phone settings. So to get to this, you just drag down from the top, hit the cog and go into the settings, scroll down to advanced features, and then scroll down to touch sensitivity, and it even says on here, increase the touch sensitivity of the screen for use with screen protectors. So just turn that on, and then that's hopefully going to fix the issue for you if you do have any issues. Now, you can probably get screen protectors cheaper off eBay, but it's worth going for a good brand like Moco because it's so important that it's a good fit to the screen. If it's a bit too wide or a bit too narrow, it's not going to fit properly, and it's going to peel off, and it's not going to allow you the proper touch responsiveness on the screen. Another good thing about the Moco screen protector is that it's designed so that it can be used with cases on your phone. So as you can see, that fits perfectly, and I can still use the phone without any issues. So hopefully this video is helpful for you. If it was, please like and subscribe for more from Concise Reviews.